The Sons of Plato is a fantastic sci-fi adventure about a teenager's attempt to rescue his time-trapped girlfriend from the clutches of a future arch-nemesis. A brilliant story reminiscent of the writings of Jules Verne. Meyer puts a creative twist on the modern-day issues and then combines it with the wonderfully developed characters and turns it into an epic tale that takes you on a thrilling voyage beyond space and time. The brilliant yet immature Milton Hancock and his girlfriend Jane become separated by centuries when hired hands attempt to steal his latest invention, a machine capable of transporting objects through time. While Milton is trapped in the future, Jane is trapped in the past. Milton must use his brilliance and untapped courage to make a daring escape back in time to rescue his beloved Jane. To order Sons of Plato by Richard Meyer, go to www.eloquentbooks.com/thesonsofplato.html.